Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VXRT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely updates need to be done after another monster move. First thing, going to do a little house cleaning, get rid of that line. Sure, that level still pertains to the chart. It's just not really relevant right now from a presentation standpoint. I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible from the annotation standpoint. First update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So $1.40 was that key area of resistance going into today. And now that it's been broken, you would want to see it act as support. And you can see that's exactly what played out here this morning. So a fantastic job. You could throw this right into a textbook of a former area of resistance now acting as support, which ultimately produced a very nice move to the upside. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price were to go down to $1.40 and break through it, I'm not saying that, implies the entire chart's destroyed or anything like that. As I've talked about in past videos, I'm going to continue to talk about from the big picture point of view. It's all about that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to make or to just judge the health of the move here, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that? That is what it is, being represented. Again, staying above $1.40 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance moving forward? Nothing fancy or complicated here. The party stopped on a couple different occasions right up there at $1.83. So it's somewhat of a random area at $1.83, but it is what it is. So $1.83, public enemy number one, headed into Tuesday. All in all, though, great way to start off the week. Fantastic volume, nice price movement. So let's see if the price can continue to build upon this momentum. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.